So I'm going to set up a table. It's backwards, Sasha. EDEUOEY. I'll put it on the screen. Same company as a chair. So it has, they make a little table as well. But I have reviewed this in the past as well. This isn't a new kit. It's just stuff I want to bring out to make more of a relaxing time out. So you just get a normal table. And then the legs. Where's the other? There it is. One there. One there. Oops. And then you have round bars there. Just go into the round bars on this. One there, one there, there, and there. And then you have a nice little table to cook off. Right, so we got two meals with us. We got cheesy macaroni and teriyaki rice. This one serves 4 and it's 300 grams. It's some dry food. And this one is 265 grams. But it's a lot. I'm not sure if I have a bowl big enough, so I might have to boil some water, put it in a container, add the water, and then small portions. You can't cook this in a bag. I'm pretty sure you're not, but I'm pretty sure you can't. All right, so I'm going to boil some water. I'm going to use this to stir and eat out of. This is just one of those kits. It has the handles all over it. And then it has a lid as well. I really don't want to lose any of my gear. And then we're going to use a lightweight stove to cook off mess. All right, you got a big mix of kit here. So this is from, I'll put it on the screen. I can't think of the name. Something Adventures. At the moment, this is their lightweight stove. I'll show you this. So we don't need that. There's some coffees, some rails. Make sure don't lose that. That we might need. There's the thing. There's some alcohol, and a lighter, and that. So I showed these before. You just connect them together. Just watch that video if you're, if you really want to know how to do it. So you got that one and this one, and you match up the things, these things, and then you just kind of connect it till it forms a cone. It's pretty strong. Right, so that's done. I'm going to put a little thing down of tin foil just for the stove. It's made to the size of this, just so I don't burn anything. This is their stove. It's a lightweight stove. Just going to put some fuel in it. That should be plenty. Put that over there. Right. So this is my Forest Fundamentals bag. It has another container for putting in the pasta I can. This is the Forest Fundamentals like hank, I guess you want to call it. Then we got a lid in here for this one, and their stove is in here, millbank bag and everything. So that's all for. I had done a review on this as well, so okay, that's Forest Fundamental stuff. Right, so take this off, light this up. Okay, that's on. Put this over like so. Put the lighter away. And then while that's getting ready, I'm just going to put the handles out on this. This is all going to be an eyeball kind of thing because I don't have the instructions with me. But ReadyWise does some really nice food. All right. And then that will just sit like that. Looks good. Put the lid back on this. So my thinking is, if I open this up, pour, say, half in each, and then add the hot water, and then stir it, and then eyeball it. That's what I'm thinking. Should work. I think so. I don't think she wants dirty mushrooms in her food. It smells good. Got a waft of nice cheese. So this is, like, again, ReadyWise. I'll put all the links description box below. It's also on the website. Don't forget to go to the website. This smells good. Right, let me just put some in here. Oof. Oof. Ooh, got a prize in mine. It's like Cracker Jacks. Appetizer. Only kidding, don't eat those. Alright, so I reckon that's that. I did take a picture of the instructions, so I'll have a look at that in a minute. But try and get it set up. So I'm working with a really small table here. Whichever one comes out better. Obviously I'll give to Trudy. Always take your rubbish with you, don't leave any rubbish. Right, put that lid on that one. And we're just gonna wait for the water to boil now. I might take down the top while we're doing this just to start getting a little bit set up so it's not much as it's getting late. Right, so gonna use that. Oh. Pour that into here. Oh, hot, 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 hot. Hot, 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 hot. Hot, 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 hot. Hot. Ooh, that was hot. Alright. Let me just use a spoon. Oh, this is where everything goes everywhere. There we go. Alright, it's a bit watery, but keep that covered. Let that sit for a little bit. Learn our lesson from that one. Get the handles ready. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully the water was hot enough. Let it set. Maybe worst case, we can always cook that as is, and then boil off the water, I guess, couldn't we? Yeah, we'll do that. Put these rails. One like that, one like that, and one like that, and one like that. Put that over it. And then that like that. So I'm still using the same cook set, but now because of the rails, I can cook bigger pots on it or different size pots. So while this is cooking, just full disclosure, I haven't even had a chance to sit in my hammock yet. This is why when I go to the woods sometimes, or most times, if I don't film it, that's the reason why, because I'm doing so much cooking, filming, running around and showing you guys stuff that I don't get a chance to relax or do stuff or enjoy the woods myself. So if you wonder why I don't put out content that often, that's the reason why. Well, this is looking better. Look at that. Looks good. That looks good. I like it. I've definitely had too much cheese powder in my one. Do you want to try some of mine?
No, it's good. You have it.
Sure. Trudy's finished hers already. Yeah, it's very nice. Definitely very cheesy. I would recommend this. And look at that. Okay. So, yeah, it tastes really good. It's first time trying them. Alright, well, I'm going to enjoy my little lunch here, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Hold on, did burn the bottom of that, so that'll be some cooking later on, but really nice. Leave no trace, hammocks all down, all packed up, no rubbish. I actually used that bag of rubbish from the cooking thing to put my dirty spoons into. Bags all packed up. A lot of this stuff here will be on the website. I'll put on below there, and I do reviews and everything there, and all my links and stuff, that's all there. Know anything in the comment section, guys? I think the nice trip out today, a bit of something different, a little bit of everything. You had the gear review, you had the cooking. So let me know anything in the comment section down below. Put a comment down there, make sure you throw me a like, and subscribe if you like the content. Thanks guys for watching, I'll catch you next video. Bye.